Apple Music has introduced a significant update by simplifying sharing songs directly to TikTok with iOS 18.1, making it easier for users who want to combine their preferred tracks with video content. This integration lets users engage with TikTok more seamlessly to discover and use songs. Follow these steps to share an Apple Music song to TikTok. First, launch Apple Music and browse for the song you want to share. Click on the three-dotted menu, the More button, and then tap on Share Song. Select TikTok from the sharing options. If TikTok doesn't appear, click More to add it. Now, several ways will appear to share the song. Create a video with the song as background music, send it as a photo post with the song attached, or share it as a private message to another TikTok user. This update enhances music discovery on TikTok, a platform where songs frequently gain traction through viral videos. By streamlining the ability to share Apple Music songs, this integration ensures proper attribution for artists while simplifying the process for users to share their favorite tunes with followers. Whether users are sharing a video or just a track, this feature enhances the TikTok experience, making it more engaging and user-friendly.